Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of hitting the open road in your own car, but feel like your bank account just isn't cooperating? Don't worry, you're not alone. Buying a car is a huge financial goal, but it's totally achievable with the right strategy. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can save up for your dream car, step by step. So, grab a notepad, and let's get you one step closer to those new keys. First things first, you need a clear target. How much car can you realistically afford? It's not just about the sticker price. You need to factor in insurance, registration, potential maintenance, and gas. A good rule of thumb is the 10th of April 20 rule. Aim for a 20% down payment, finance the car for no more than 4 years, and ensure your total monthly car expenses don't exceed 10% of your gross monthly income. Do some research online. Check out dealership websites and get a solid number in mind. This number is your North Star for this entire savings journey. Once you have your target amount, it's time to open a dedicated savings account. Seriously, this is a game changer. Don't just lump your car savings in with your regular checking account. Give it a specific name like Dream Car Fund or My Future Ride. This creates a psychological barrier that makes you less likely to dip into it for other expenses. Seeing that balance grow, even little by little, is incredibly motivating. It makes your goal feel tangible and real. Now for the fun part, finding the money to put into that account. Start by creating a detailed budget. Track every single dollar you spend for a month. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a simple notebook. I guarantee you'll be surprised where your money is going. That daily coffee, those multiple streaming subscriptions, the takeout you order when you're too tired to cook, it all adds up. I'm not saying you have to give up everything you love, but you need to be intentional. Identify a few areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's brewing your coffee at home, canceling a subscription you barely use, or committing to one less dinner out each week. Every dollar you trim from your expenses is a dollar you can redirect straight into your car fund. Think of it as paying your future self. Also, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your car savings account every payday. Even if it's just $50 to start, it builds a consistent habit. You save money without even having to think about it. Let's also talk about boosting your income. Can you pick up a few extra hours at work? Maybe you have a skill you can monetize on the side, like freelance writing, graphic design, or even dog walking. Selling things you no longer need is another fantastic way to get a quick cash injection. Go through your closet, your garage, your old electronics. One person's clutter, another person's treasure, and every sale gets you closer to your goal. Putting all these pieces together, a clear goal, a separate account, a smart budget, and an effort to increase your income, creates a powerful saving machine. It might feel slow at first, but consistency is key. Before you know it, you'll have a substantial down payment ready, which will lower your monthly payments and save you a ton on interest. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope these tips help you on your journey to buying your dream car. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your money and achieving your goals. Drop a comment below and let me know what car you're saving for. See you in the next video.